Hey, Mad Cat here. How you doing? How you doing? Another awesome week on Optavia, a journey to better health. Guess where I'm at? I'm in the middle of the football field out here in the Jaguars football field for Ridgeland, Jasper County. You see a big old sign out there, Ridgeland, the water tower. Another great week at Optavia. And I tell you, I'm gonna show you the numbers in a minute. Y'all stay with me. Alright folks, check it out on a big old billboard out here. 238, sir. Yes it is. 101 pounds down. Another 101 pounds down. I met my second goal on Optavia for Journey for Better Health. And I tell you, I feel great. It's awesome. 101 pounds in 35 weeks. Great. You can check out the number. I got more numbers here. You know, it's like 0.4 pounds a day almost, and that's like almost it's crazy if you look at the numbers. But I tell you, I feel great. I feel awesome. Thanks for my coach Kendra. She's my wife, and we celebrate our 30th anniversary this last week. And I tell you, we went out to camping out the local RV park, KOA in the embassy, and we had a great time. And I tell you, I feel awesome, feel great, and I feel thinner. And that's the best thing about feeling thinner and feeling healthier. Makes a big difference. And again, I'm out here at the football field, Jasper County football field, brand new field. They got AstroTurf out here. Wow, the big old water tower out there. This is original. The guy let me out here, walk around. They got locked up all the time. But again, here on the billboard, show you one more time. This is the numbers. Over 100 pounds off. That's awesome. From 339 to 238. 101 pounds. Now, y'all need to get out of this thing. If you need to lose a couple pounds, you need to check it out. And I tell you, it's easy. I mean, all you do is eat the bars, drink the shakes. I mean, mashed potatoes. I got macaroni and cheese. Got cereal. It's all part of the plan. And you eat your lean green at night. You know, grilled chicken and veggies. I mean, I had that on the Blackstone at the RV park, and it was great. And I tell you, I mean, I feel awesome. I mean, I feel awesome. 101 pounds. Another great week. And I don't know what I'm gonna do next. Had two goals, hit 250, and I want to hit 100 pounds off, and I'm done. I'm done with the two goals, and I'm gonna stay on it for a while, because I have a doctor's appointment coming in August, and I'm gonna go see my doctor and get off my high blood pressure medicine, and we'll see from then. Again, had another great week. Week number 35, 100 pounds, over 100 pounds off. Y'all check it out. It's Mad Cat, and I'm out here. All right, here's the numbers. You can see it. 238, 238.2, 238.2. All right. Here's another breakdown if you can see it. That's 246 days, 0.4 pounds a day, 2.47 pounds a week, and that's 100.6 pounds down, if you can see that. It's awesome.